Hey guys, so I'm excited. I'm really excited. We got my Ofra box. So, if anyone is ever interested in getting any Ofra products, there is a code which I can post for you guys, or tell you guys. So if you plan on getting, like, if you're ordering anything online, Ofra related, the Ofra cosmetics, use the code PAGE. It's one of one of the YouTubers that I tend to watch, but she's like a super sweet person. I think it's like an affiliate code, so I mean she will end up earning a small amount of commission, but PAGE is the code if you were to decide to order anything through Ofra Cosmetics. Also, they do provide afterpay, so if your order tends to be a little big, you can split your payment into 4 and pay sporadically. Or not sporadically, but 4 times and all that stuff. So I'm really excited though. Alright, so if you are interested in what we got for special, make sure that you guys continue to watch the video. So in the Ofra order, I ordered this really cute palette right here. This one is called Secret Garden. So it's a really pretty palette. It has color, pink, and your highlight, your bronzer, your blush. Probably a little dark on the bronzer, but that's okay. I can totally use it for an eyeshadow if I were wanting to do that. Alright, so let's quickly swatch. So I'm going to do the shadows first, and the bronzer, blush, and highlight. So this is a really cute palette. I'm really excited about this too. I think you guys, we can lift them up. Okay, so here is the green one, which is called Green Light. My swatching sucks, you guys. But it seems a little patchy, but it also has a little bit of a shimmer in it. This one is called Deep Purple. Right there. Alright, this one is called Riddle. Right there. This one is called Wonder. Yeah, Wonder. It's a really light shimmer. You guys can barely tell. Intima. I almost went over the light color. Intima. Alright, and let me clear off my hand. Real quick. Alright, and then I'm gonna do Tell Me, which is this really pretty champagne-y color, which you can barely tell, but it's right there. It's so pretty. Alright, so those are the eyeshadows. I'm gonna do the blush. Ooh. And the bronzer. Okay, so the blush is right here. I don't know about that blush though, but I mean it is a really pretty color. It does have a metallic on there, and then here is the bronzer. Like I said, I think that's going to be a little too dark for me, but I can make it into an eyeshadow. That's the nice thing about it. And then here is the highlight. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. these, like, these, what is it called? These shadows actually really are nice. I like that. So I'm hoping that I can, do something about that, or use it very soon. I'll probably use it tomorrow. So, I got the Ofra Samantha March. This is their PR kit, which is actually really nice. You can buy their PR kits if you are wanting to. So it's really cute. I don't know what's falling out. Stickers, it looks like. So here, it looks like this. It looks like a book. And then, the plot twist you didn't see coming. Life is truly just a draft. Oh, and then that's cute. It gives you, it says, like, it belongs to. Alright. I'm excited. Oh, there's stickers. That's cute. I'll use that. I'll use those. Alright, so it's kind of nice with Ofra. You can buy their PR kit, which is actually really sweet of them to do that, because this is what all beauty influencers get when they're on their PR list. So here are the lip trio. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Oh my god. Here is their lip trio. Oh. This is called Peony. This is a lip gloss. It smells like vanilla. You guys can barely see that. Let me see if I can, like, Peony. It's like a light pink gloss. And then here is Millie. So those of you that are hopping on, thank you. If you guys are wanting to find out what the extra special gift is, make sure that you guys watch to the end. Here is this is called Millie. It's like I haven't done a video in forever. I've done one this morning and I'm like, I don't know how to talk. Alright, and then this one is called Queen, right there. Super pretty. They all smell really good. And I kind of saved the best for the last. The palette. Life's a draft. That's what the sticker. That's cute. They never really do this on any other Ofra palette. I don't know why they did that. Alright, so this is like a purpley mauve palette, which is super cute. This is what it looks like. It's not really like, it doesn't have like a bronzer of any kind. I mean, maybe this. I'm not going to do swatches. I'm going to end up doing a whole try on this. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do for you guys. So, I'm going to put some concealer on. I'm so excited, though. I was excited to get this package. Like, seriously excited. I was like, oh my god, I just want to get home, you know? Alright, so I'm going to go in with this purple palette. This is the Samantha palette here. Life's a Draft. Ofra collabed with Samantha March in this. So I'm excited to give this a try. And yeah. So I'm going to go in with, maybe I should go in with a lighter shade. This shade right here is called Peace. I like how their names are on the back. It does have some pickup on their palettes, but I'm not complaining any. Probably should have, maybe this is the shade. I don't know. I'm not gonna do like an extreme look, but I am gonna do like a nice little look here. But I'm kind of just like, so I'm circular motioning right here, and then I'm bringing it onto like my eyelid. I actually really enjoy this palette. The shade right here is so nice. I mean, yeah, it does have like pickup, but I'm not complaining any. I mean, it's bound to happen on other shadows or other palettes here, so I mean, it happens. So how is everyone's day? I hope everyone's good. The weather here is crappy. So I see like no like what is it called? I don't know what the word is called. Like, I don't see any like stuff coming down on the onto the face, which is nice. Yeah, so that's kind of nice about that. All right, I was at first gonna go in with this shade in the beginning, and then I was like, ooh, probably not. So I'm going in with this shade right here. It's called Cherry. Just adding a little to the outer corner here. Just, I mean, it's not much. It's a very subtle, like very subtle. And then I'm like, oh, there's like, yeah, I don't know what that word is called right now. So I'm circling and then bringing it up and doing a windshield wiper motion. Yeah, there is like pickup here. Okay. So pretty. I really like this palette, you guys. It's so nice. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. You guys can barely tell. It's like a purple champagne-y color. And it's called Ink. So I will drop I'll do the code in the description area. So you guys can, if you guys were wanting to order anything through Ofra, so you guys can get a little bit of money off of your purchase. So it's kind of a nice thing about that, because like people are wanting to save money. I'm going back in with the shade Cherry and kind of getting everything like blended in. And then also I'm going to go in a little bit with This shade right here is called Honors. Oh, right here. Honors, and I'm just lightly tapping in the middle of the eyelid to add a little bit more. Okay, and whatever I have left on the brush that I had with cherry on it. Love this palette. It's so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna do the face real quick. And okay, so the face, I'm not a big fan of that Tarte Mister. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because it feels like it does not like come out like very nicely. I don't know. I don't like it. That's what happens when I have too much crap. Literally. So I'm just trying to get like through my makeup, like through the try on as quickly as possible, you guys, so you can see what you guys are wanting to see. Or should I say it now? I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe foundation, you guys, and then I'm just doing one pump, or two, or 1.5. One and a half at least. It is a really good like foundation, just so you guys know. I will also, just so you guys know, I will be doing an unboxing of BoxyCharm very soon. I just wanted to make sure I posted this video first, because I'm gonna do like a battle of BoxyCharm, because I got two $25 boxes and I want to make sure that those get posted soon too. And also Chick Beauty, whatever you want to call it. Okay, where is my pressed powder? Okay, I'm gonna quickly put on some pressed powder. I know you guys are wanting to see what the special gift is. Concealer, need concealer. All right. I'm sorry, guys. I just want to make sure. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna use a little bit of this palette as well, mainly because it's here. I am going to use a pinch of oh, I'm telling you guys, this literally has pigmentation. Oh man. guys know it's pigmented. Pigmented. Alright, and then I'm also going to go in with this metallic blush. I don't know how that's going to work, but... Ooh. Goodness gracious. Alright, awesome. Alright. Let me go in with some brows here, because it's gotta do brows. I think I need to get my brows done soon. Okay. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline. Never mind. I'm gonna go in with L'Oreal Air Power Waterproof, whatever. I'm gonna go in with this mascara. Oh my gosh, why do mascaras have so, look at that. Look at that, you guys. You literally have to like scrape it off. Like literally. Why? Why do mascaras do this? I just don't understand. And of course there's still like enough on the wand. I don't need to like double dip. Honestly, I would not recommend this product. It's affordable, but I just... Alright, I'm gonna do highlight and then I'll tell you guys the lowdown of things. So I'm gonna go in with both of the highlights that came in here. I think yeah, it's like a bronzy color. It's really pretty. Alright, and then the lips, I'm going to go in with this one, which is called Peony. And it's just a gloss. Alright, overall, these products are really nice. I really enjoy what I got. But the special thing, you guys, I didn't just get it for myself. There's another. So, some lucky winner will get the Ofra PR kit, Samantha March. So you'll get the eyeshadow palette and the lip glosses. This values, or the price of it was like $59. but the total value is $68. So it's not that bad. Here it is, you guys. This is literally what you'll get. You'll get the Ofra PR kit. Isn't that exciting? So I'll tell you guys the rules, because this is also not only going to get posted on this page, it's already live here right now. This is also going to be posted on my YouTube channel, so my YouTubers will also have the chance to win this as well. 2 different ways to be entered, and 2 different ways, or so many other ways to get entries. It's honestly insane. Now, I'd much rather explain it as a post so you guys can have a better understanding. So I'm going to hop off here. I'm going to take some pictures of the products, and you guys will see. This will end, it starts now until April 30th. That's the last day. So what time is it? At 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time is when it's going to be done. I will come on here on the 30th, which is, I believe, a Friday or Thursday. I don't remember. I know it's one of those 2 days. You guys will, it will be announced on that day. So make sure you guys watch for my post. You guys literally, like, it's amazing. Like, isn't that pretty? Come on, you guys. Literally, come on. Alright, so, like I said, I'm going to hop off here. I'm going to give you guys the directions on how to be entered in this giveaway. And, some lucky winner. I'm so excited. Yeah, I believe it's the 30th. Oops. So I will see you all soon, and I hope you have a good evening. Bye, guys.